You're not going to believe me, but this is a cabbage recipe. Don't kiss your pork chops. Season them and set them aside. You're going to need some chicken stock. Get that heated up. And start rendering down some lardons or pancetta, whatever you got. You'll need bacon. There is the star. Look at that guy. Okay, using some butcher twine, you're just going to truss this thing as tight as you can. Clip off the top and bottom and put them in your fridge for some soup or whatever. But what you're looking for are these two cool little discs, man. Make sure they're nice and tight. Set it aside. Clean up some chilies and slice those things up. Smash some garlic. Get an onion ready. You only need half the onion. Throw it in there with the lardon fat, the garlic and the chili, and just saute that up. Chicken stock in, a whole bunch of cream, huge handful of sage, and a whole bunch of pepper, and you're going to set that aside on low. Just let it steep. Okay, you know how to cook pork chops. A couple minutes aside, set them aside to rest. You want them nice and pink in the middle. Go check on your sauce. You want it thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Okay, cabbage disc into a ripping hot pan. Get a nice crust on both sides. Baste it with garlic, butter, and herbs. So it looks like that. Snip off the string and then snip both sides because you're only going to need half of it per person. Plate up some of the sauce, some of that cabbage, about 3 pieces of pork, finish it off. You're good, baby. This is phenomenal. I've never made, as I said, I combined 2 creators' recipes and just threw in pork chops. Let's give her a go. Obviously the pork chops first. Smothered in this trotter cream sage gravy. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's a Substack recipe. All right, sorry I've been AWOL for a week. Kind of half and half work. I do have a day job. I'm the director of digital strategy for this huge automotive tech company in the US. And I have little cancer boy, Angus. Between the two of them, it is a 36-hour-a-day job. So I have given myself a break from hosting videos. I have like 7 in my phone I have to edit. Anyhow, you don't care. The cabbage. Sometimes I don't understand why I'm not a vegetarian. Honestly, this is the star. What a great way to braise and sear cabbage. That's it. Have a great weekend.